Well, this is the start of 4 by 400 meter men's relay final, where in lane number 2 is Odisha, lane number 3 Tamil Nadu, in 4 SSCB, in 5 Railway Sports, in 6 is Karnataka, 7 All India Police, and lane number 8. But Punjab looks, it's a cooling pace. I think a blistering pace has been set by the Punjab. They are in the blue baton with D letters. They have decided to give the challenge to the Railways and Tamil Nadu. But it's early stage and we are into the second leg of men's 4 by 400 meter relay. Some hesitations, but here in the lane number 4 and 5, going shoulder by shoulder, Services Sports Control Board and Railways. And the present leader at the change down is Railway Sports, followed by Services Sports Control Board. But here is the Services is leading, followed by Railway entering into the second band. A very strong lineup for Services Sports Control Board. A golden boys. The Indian Women's Railway has proved their mettle in women's section. In the same way, the men's section will also try to level, just pampering, pushing into the last limit. Men's 4 by 400 meters. The penalty mate leg is in the progress. At number 1 is Indian Railway and at 2 is Services Sports Control Board. Services Sports Control Board running over the shoulder to the Indian Railways, holding the baton in a pen dry position as the American team is carrying. A strong, determined, good head position, a stable head for Services Sports Control Board. But again, you cannot put a blanket on the Indian Railways. The boys are coming closer to shoulder, into the last home state. 80 meters to go. Penalty mate leg. Still, their fate is not decided. Let's see who can hold their nerves. It's a long, long way. Last lap. Here is the flyer, the anchor leg, the battle of the war is now, the honors propandi is on the anchor leg. The flyer boys, Railway, is leading still, but the SSCB is still trailing behind, not giving up. It's the last 200 meters to go. It's between Railways and Services Sports Control Board. Let's see who can operate, who can merge, and who can kill. This is the time to showcase their talent. A perfect, they are float. The crowd is roaring. What a fantastic run. Shoulder to shoulder. Tremendous up and down between SSCBs and Railways. Wow, and number 3 is also coming, but it is the Railways. They prove their mettle. Like the boy, they have not disappointed as the women's section has won. This boy is a brave. Happy faces. A great celebration. 4 by 400 meter. Brave boys, tattooed, inked their leg. Just celebrating their win. On their toes, Indian Railways. They are not carrying India, these boys carrying Indian Railways on their shoulder. Proud movement for Indian Railways. What a fantastic display of their dresses, showing the track on their vest. Golden color with golden boots and golden boy. Smile of 24 carat. Brave run. Many, many congratulations to the team Railways.
And we are coming to the result of men's 4 by 400 meters relay for men's group final. Here Railway Sports, they have time taken 3 minutes 06.35 seconds. In the second place it is SSCB, 3 minutes 06.81 seconds. They are very close. And in the third place it is Tamil Nadu, time taken 3 minutes 09 seconds. Karnataka in the fourth position, 3 minutes 10.89 seconds. Punjab in the fifth place, 3 minutes 11 28 seconds. All India Police 3 minutes 18.72 seconds. That was the result of men's 4x400 meters relay final.